Neural networks and simulations often have so-called hyperparameters, like the number of layers and the number of neurons and so on. These are quite hard to choose manually. OmniOpt offers a simple way of choosing them automatically. Your program only needs a few minor modifications. It has to be able to accept hyperparameters via the command line and output a result string like a loss via standard output in a standardized way. Once done, you can simply define the number of hyperparameters and the way of choosing them. For this, we have created a graphical user interface which is intuitive to use. It offers a lot of options, and it allows you to run the optimization with only a few clicks. You can set the partition it will run on, the time it will maximally run, the number of evaluations that should be tried, and the number of parallel workers that try different configurations. It will also automatically use GPUs if they are available. OmniOpt will do the rest with only minimal overhead that is barely noticeable. It will automatically try different sets of hyperparameters in an intelligent way, so that you can find good results really fast. You don't have to care about how this is done, as it is all fully automatic, and it installs all of its dependencies by itself. After the hyperparameter search is done, you can output the results in many different ways. All of them are simple to access and offer insights on where good parameters are. The most easy way is to plot the multi-dimensional search space in 2D slices. In these, you can easily see which parameters are highly correlated and which are not. You can see this in the example graph shown. For this example, we've run a job with 3 hyperparameters. While the first 2 parameters show barely any correlation as the dots are sprinkled randomly. You can see in the bottom graph that the best values accumulate on the left-hand side. The better the value, the bluer the dots. In the top, you can see that the best results were at x being 368, y being 1, and z being 6. These give us a loss of 0.019. Check the URL on the screen for the graphical user interface and start using OmniOpt today. OmniOpt, your hyperparameter solution for neural networks and simulations.